How to switch Amazon application to dark mode. Open Amazon application. Click here. Account. As you can see, there is no option for changing to dark mode. The reason is the Amazon application working with your settings. What you need to do is go settings, find display if you're using Android, and just change it to dark mode. And now, as you can see, your Amazon application changed it to dark mode as well. If you want to do it quicker, just scroll this and choose dark mode. And it's really quick and simple. So this is only way how can you change dark mode in Amazon application. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful, and if you want to support me, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Bye.